New tonight, here on The Current, YouTube vlogger Ruby Franke could serve up to 60 years in prison for abusing two of her children. She and her business partner were sentenced today after pleading guilty in December. Jodi has our coverage tonight.
It's Judgment Day for momfluencer Ruby Franke.
I have broken hearts, and I've caused people to suffer, and I have betrayed sacred trust.
The YouTube vlogger and her business partner, Jodi Hildebrandt, pleaded guilty to multiple felony aggravated child abuse charges in December.
I'm willing to submit to what the state feels would be an appropriate amount of time served to make retribution.
Tuesday, a judge sentenced both defendants to 4 consecutive sentences of 1 to 15 years in prison. The amount of time the two actually spend in prison will be up to the Utah Board of Pardons and Parole.
Those type of people shouldn't be walking the streets when they committed these kind of crimes.
I hesitate to say this because it's going to sound like I'm like a mean barbarian.
Franke making a name for herself online, known for her tough love style of parenting, often appearing in videos with Hildebrandt.
I'm Jodi Hildebrandt. And I'm Ruby Franke.
Their notoriety reaching an infamous peak last August after Franke's son escaped from Hildebrandt's home.
I just had a 12-year-old boy show up here at my front door asking for help.
As part of her plea agreement, Franke reading a prepared statement in court admitting she tortured her son and forced him to do physical tasks for hours and days at a time.
They're also going to look at anything that can increase that sentence or mitigate it. They're going to look at the extent of the abuse. All of these items are going to be factored into that decision and exactly how much time from 1 to 15 years they'll receive for each charge.
For her part, Hildebrandt did appear in court today but declined a trial, saying she didn't want the children to have to testify and relive their experiences all over again. Jodi, ABC News, Washington.
Meanwhile, the 8 Passengers YouTube channel has since ended, and Kevin Franke has filed for divorce.